Good morning. This week we will be taking our second SAT practice test. Now in the book it says test 5, so that's what I wrote in the title. So what's important to remember is to try to treat it like an actual SAT test. So I did attach the test and the answer sheet. However, now you have your books. So if you read this paragraph here, you can see the test questions starting on page 988. Section 4 will be on page 998. Right? Yeah. Now the answer sheet, there's several ways you could answer it. You could print it out. You could cut out these 2 pages or maybe even leave them in the book, but it's on 1027 to 1030. You could also answer on a separate sheet of paper and just take a picture and upload it. Now the answer sheet I did not attach since you have your books now, so the answers start on page 1063 in your book. So when you take the test, I'm going to just refer to over here. Remember to time yourself. Section 3 is 25 minutes and section 4 is 55 minutes. Section 4 you can use a calculator, so be sure to have a calculator ready. Now, for the practice test, you don't have to do one after the other, but please try to time yourself. Remember, time management is a big part of taking the SAT, right? If you had unlimited time, you could probably do a lot better on the test, but I think one of the big challenges on the test is your time management. So please use your time management well and pay attention to that and reflect on it after you take the test. So shouldn't show me questions yet. So when you go through, after you take the test, please then grade your test. If you feel like you want to work on the questions some more afterwards, that's fine. But first, just record your scores and see how well you did for the 2 sections. Okay. So then you have the reflection questions here. Just answer them. Now there's one more question, but I think they'll take less time to answer. They just ask for your scores and just ask things like how you felt about the test, like how it went, some basic questions like that. After you answer those questions, make sure when you turn in the assignment that you include your answer sheet somehow. Maybe you can do it digitally somehow, or just take a picture of it, but please include your answer sheet and your answers to the reflection questions. That's important to get full credit. You can also include the work for the questions if you want, but what I'm going to check for is your answer sheet and the answers to the reflection questions. Okay, so just reserve some time to work on the test. Try to have it in a quiet place where you can concentrate and just do your best. Right? And again, this is just so you can experience how it's actually like to take an SAT test. And again, please mark the time, 25 minutes for test 3, 55 minutes for test 4. Let's see. Anything else? I think that's about it. Please ask if you have any questions and just do your best.